What's up, sickmates? Welcome to our vlog. Len, pwede naman pangon daw?
Ano na?
Say hello. Uy.
Tanawa galit. Matanaw galit.
Wow, nice power. Well, also someone taking a shower.
Hipog si Inmax. Yun si Hipog si Inmax.
We're bored. You angry with me, Tanggol? You look at me like you're a savage.
Savage.
Savage! Don't be angry with me. Guys, kabalo baka ni Tanggol giarwag ko niya kaganinapit ko namatay. No! It's just a joke. Oh my gosh. So welcome to my house. Choris. So we're going to sleep tonight here. Wait, this is a vacation. No!
Dagat din diri guys. Dire ka matulog mino diri ko.
So we're just the two of us. Ana man to si Kon Dios Sante. Well, also someone taking a shower. Oh, look at my nail. It's lighting.
Oh my god, glamour. Come on, baby.
Well, also someone taking a shower. Sorry. Were you crazy in the living? Anything about me? What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me? I wanna be a slinker. Oh, dyan na din. I'm just joking. Uy, mabantay. Gawas ko rin mo ko.
Ikaw sa ginisunod ka.
Bawal? I'm just showing the guys. Kapaka kong tao. And this is the outside world. Look at that, how peaceful it is. And then we wake up in the morning and so peace is heaven. Morning, I go up and count my money. I'm so wavy, I'm so wavy. This is popcorn and this is Mikay. Mikay. So I'm going to take a video here. What's up, guys? SBS a higher touch. And then make a much. Party. Disco. My baby, you walked it down the hand. Oops, we broke up. The better all is better. Wait, you don't love me like I love you. Wait, you don't love me like I love you. You don't love me like I love you.
Alikon!
Come on, baby. Oh my God, glamour. Ha?
Murag Indian. Ang itong katong Bisaya nilang yun.
Ay, ano matulog daw? Ikaw una. Walking in the winter wonderland. Here comes Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus. Mix and it's make you panado mo. We got glamour. Chikiri bain. Kira pa kasama magkupay-pay. Sige bang. Sige pa man siguro masay. Sige ba ami? I think I put my hand on your head. When I dip you, put your hands up on your hips. When I dip you, put your hands up my hands up. Kira put your hands up. Babadol! Okay, Maria, mamay. Damamay. Saan na ako? Your body on my mind. I'll tell you to the cherry. I just need to take a bath. Nice.
Oh my God,
Kape in the morning, I roll up and count my
Pagkagising
mind.
sa umaga.
So wavy, I'm so wavy.
Kape. Pagkagising sa umaga, kumuha ng baso at kutsara.
Ano, magito
Kumuha ng kopi ka blanca.
Kape. para nilagyan mo ng kopi ko blanca. At dyan, nagtatapos. I'm so happy, I'm so happy, I'm so Len, I'm so Wait. I think when you become queen, you're gonna put in a small chair.
Okay, why? Why?
Yes, puppies. Butterfly. Stop. Kiss my lips. My way back there. It's feeling like me. Ay, oh. Dugod. Ay, na, wag ka, oh. Ako rin mag-anak. Mag-anak na ka. Ha? Di. Dugod. Di. Pero nung nakilala kita, nagbago bigla ang timpla. Natuto ako na. Making melodies in my heart.
Hello guys, napalamisan.
I'm so wavy. Ano ba sila eh?
Sakan, let's go.
Ate, Juan!
Nandito pala kami sa Palos Beach Resort. What's up? Nag-vacation with diri pala guys.
Oh my God!
Sabi na daw no. Tura palang beach siya boss guys. Kita?
Asa sa akong chicken na shower.
Nag-vlog pala mi guys. Ito ang mga chikiting at toy-toy guys. Di mo kita. Di kasing bata. Liawa tayo. Babadol! Ah, Babadol!
Bababdol!
Bungal!
Hello guys!
Babadol! Hi, Tado. I'm the wave. Oh my God, God. Oh my God, glamour.
Come on, baby.
Come on, baby. Oh my God, glamour.
Be quiet.
Aman.
Put my hands up on your hips. When I dip you. Ikaw said. Put your hands up on your hips. When I dip you. Ako ba dyan daw? Oh, that's right. I put my hands up on your hips. I dip you. Put my hands up. Kamahal ng iba.
Sabi ng utok, tama.
5 little monkey. Humping. Oh no. 5 little monkey. 5 little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell up and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor. Doctor said, no more monkey jumping on the bed. So if you don't mind, ayaw na lang to. I don't have any tiwala in you. Mahal na niyo ba? Wala naman lang tugon sa mama, papa, ate, kuya. Papa da.
Ato to sulod minta.
Uy, dili lagi way batay diri.
Bantay sa gapon no. Muna, that's for all.
Papa.
Sad, sad mo.